trigonometric values. Trigonometric values of some specific angles. There are some specific angles in our course 0, 45, 30, 60, 90 and we prove it. Okay. First I will tell you how you remember the values of some specific angles. Now first you write the counting of 0 to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now what is the maximum number in this? The maximum number in this 4, you divide all the numbers with 4. Now you simplify it. 0 upon 4 is 0, 1 upon 4 is 1 upon 4, it is 1 upon 2, cut it, 1 upon 2, it is 3 upon 4 and it is cut and you will get 1. Now take square root of all. Square rooting of all the numbers. Now you make a table for 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Here it is angle. Suppose we take angle theta. Angle theta. So our first angle is sine theta. So if what is the value of square root of 0 is 0. What is the square root of 1 by 4? It is 1 by 2. What is the square root of 1 upon 2? 1 का तो 1 हो जाएगा, 2 का root 2. Square root of 3 upon 4 is root 3 upon 2. Square root of 1 is 1. You see that the value of sine is lies between 0 and 1. Now sine 0 is 0, sine 30 1 by 2, sine 45 1 by root 2, sine 60 root 3 by 2, sine 90 1. Now cos theta you interchange it. 1 इधर ले आइए, 0 इधर ले आइए, root 3 by 2 इधर आ जाएगा, 1 by 2 इधर आ जाएगा, 1 upon root 2. Now what is tan theta? We know that what is tan theta? It is the reciprocal of it. When you divide sine upon cos, you will get tan theta. 0 upon 1 is 0. 1 by 2 and root 3 by 2. It is, when you divide it, 2 cancel, it is 1 by root 3. It is 1. 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2, cut 1. And it is root 3. 1 upon 0 is infinity or not defined. Now, what is the reciprocal of sine is cosec. So, I will write the value of cosec, sec and cot. 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. Here it is angle theta, cosec theta. Reciprocal of 0 upon 1 is 1 upon 0. So it is not defined. 0 upon 1 is 1 upon 0, not defined. Cos 32 root 2, 2 by root 3 and sin 90, 1 upon 1 is 1. Now cos theta is the reciprocal, sec theta is the reciprocal of cos theta. 1 upon 1 is 1, 2 upon root 3, root 2, 2 upon 1 and 0 upon 1 and 1 upon 0. ये क्या हो जाएगा? 1 upon 0. It is infinity, not defined. So sec theta is increasing from 1 to infinity. Now cot theta 0 upon 1, 1 upon 0, infinity. It is 0 upon 1. So 1 upon 0 is infinity, not defined. Root 3, 1 का reciprocal 1, 1 upon root 3 and not defined का reciprocal क्या हो जाएगा? 0. These are the trigonometric values of some specific angles. Now I will prove it for 45 degree, 30 and 60 degree and 0 and 90 degree. Now I am going to prove it. prove sin 45 1 by root 2 cos 45 1 by root 2 tan 45 1. Now for this let us take a right triangle ABC at right angle at B. Now take a triangle ABC ABC right angle at B. Now I will take 45 and this is 90. Let angle A is 45, then angle C is also 45. Now what is the formula? At AB it is a right angle triangle and it is a isosceles triangle. It is isosceles triangle, right angle at B. Take side AB is A and BC is B. Let AB is equal to BC is equal to A. Now by Pythagoras theorem, what is the AC? We know that h square is equal to p square plus b square. So here hypotenuse is this. If I take angle A, so perpendicular is this and base is this, PH. Now h square is equal to a square plus a square, h square is equal to 2a square. This implies h is equal to under root 2a. Now what is the formula of sin A? Sin A is p upon h. Here p is BC and h is AC. So what is angle A? I will take 45 degree. Sin 45 degree is equal to what is BC? BC is A and what is AC? AC is, this is AC, hypotenuse, root 2A. This is cancelled out. You will get sin 45 degree is equal to 1 upon root 2. Similarly, cos A, what is formula of cos A? Base upon hypotenuse. What is base? What is A? 45, put it here. What is base? AB. AB upon AC is equal to, what is AB? AB is A and AC is root 2A. This is cancelled out, 1 upon root 2. Now tan A, it is P upon B. What is P? BC. What is base? AB. So tan A is 45, it is A upon A, it is 1. So tan 45 is equal to 1.